Welcome back to American Wing Chun. I am Sifu Matt, and today we're going to start a new series on the wooden dummy. This will be 25 videos leading up to Christmas. For each day, we'll have a new technique. I know there's a lot of people out there that have a wooden dummy, but they're not advanced enough to learn the form, and they don't really know what to do with this other than having it in their house like an expensive piece of furniture. So we'll start off with something very basic. And each day we'll do a new technique, and it'll lead up to more advanced stuff towards the end of the series, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so technique number one, we're going to start off learning how to open up the stance. So your feet should start where your toes are underneath the leg of the dummy. Your arms are fully extended with the palms touching the trunk of the dummy, and then you pull your arms back. You can open your stance from there, and you're at the proper distance now from the dummy to be able to still reach it and still be able to move around and do footwork and all that good stuff. So the first technique is going to have the hand come up through the center, and you're starting in the Wing Chun pre-fighting posture, this Man-Sau, Wu-Sau position. The front hand's pointed forward, the back hand's pointed towards the sky. And my front hand goes up through the center. I'm trying to go through the center of the trunk of the dummy. And this is just in the way. So I'm going up and through, and then I'm going to palm all the way out. Or I can punch. Just be careful not to hurt your fist on the dummy. But you're learning how to go forward, have some good sticking contact with the arm of the dummy, and then just wedge in. The arm itself can stop you, but let your elbow come in slightly to snake through, and then it kind of skips back out to the side a little bit. So your arm's now roughly in line with the arm of the dummy itself. So I'm coming up, the arm's in the way. I snake my arm in and palm the face of the dummy. I want to wedge all the way through. And I want to practice both sides. You could do it with a fist and have your fist just wedge through that. But your force is constantly trying to go through the center of the dummy. It's right through the middle. And that's technique number one.